In British English, these are chips. In American English, they're fries. And these are crisps in Britain, but chips in America. English can be confusing. Today, you'll learn 50 everyday words that are different in British and American English. Let's begin. In British English, we say lift. Take the lift to the 3rd floor. In American English, people usually say elevator. Flat. Apartment. I live in a small flat. Chips. Fries. I had chips with my burger. Crisps. Chips. I bought a packet of crisps. Cookie. In British English, a cookie is a type of biscuit, often with chocolate chips. In American English, a cookie is a small, sweet baked treat. Biscuits. In British English, biscuits are sweet and often eaten with tea. In American English, biscuits are soft, savoury breads, often eaten with butter or gravy. Sweets. Candy. The children are eating sweets. Fizzy drink. Soda. I'd like a fizzy drink, please. Takeaway. Take out. Let's get a takeaway tonight. Petrol. Gas. I need to get petrol today. Pavement. Sidewalk. Walk on the pavement. Queue. Line. There is a long queue. Trousers. Pants. I bought new trousers. Trainers. Sneakers. I wear trainers for running. Jumper. Sweater. Put on your jumper. Holiday. Vacation. We're going on holiday. Cinema. Movie theatre. We went to the cinema. Film. Movie. The film is funny. Mobile phone. Cell phone. Where is my mobile phone? Rubbish. Trash. Put it in the rubbish. Wheelie bin. Trash can. The wheelie bin is full. Tap. Faucet. Turn off the tap. Toilet. Restroom. Where is the toilet? Garden. Yard. The children are playing in the garden. Wardrobe. Closet. My clothes are in the wardrobe. You're halfway through the video. Great job. Keep watching because there's a quick quiz at the end. Curtains. Drapes. Close the curtains. Cooker. Stove. The cooker is in the kitchen. Hob. Stovetop. The pan is on the hob. Kitchen roll. Paper towels. Clean it with kitchen roll. Washing up liquid. Dish soap. We need more washing up liquid. Tin. Can. Open the tin of beans. Courgette. Zucchini. I put courgette in the pasta. Aubergine. Eggplant. I like roasted aubergine. Coriander. Cilantro. Add some coriander. Spring onions. Scallions. Chop the spring onions. Candy floss. Cotton candy. She bought candy floss at the fair. Car park. Parking lot. The car park is full. Motorway. Highway. Drive carefully on the motorway. Zebra crossing. Crosswalk. Use the zebra crossing. Roundabout. Traffic circle. Turn left at the roundabout. Lorry. Truck. There is a big lorry outside. Boot. Trunk. Put the bags in the boot. Bonnet. Hood. Open the bonnet. Indicator. Turn signal. Use your indicator. Till. Cash register. Pay at the till. Shop. Store. I'm going to the shop. Post. Mail. I'll send it by post. Postbox. Mailbox. Put the letter in the postbox. Nappy. Diaper. The baby needs a clean nappy. Plaster. Band-aid. I need a plaster for my finger. Quick quiz. What is the British word? Chips. What is the British word? Trousers. What is the British word? Rubbish. What is the British word? Crisps. What is the British word? Flat. How many did you get right? Well done. You have practiced 50 British versus American words. Keep practicing to improve your English. Ready for more? Learn more British English here.